Hello everyone, how you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. If this is your first time of watching my video, hi, my name is Etiosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I activate my whitening face cream. So this is my lightning base cream. Okay, this cream has already been activated. By looking at the color, you can actually tell this has been activated, and this can give you up to 2 shades. So I just want to let you guys know about that in case you are getting any base cream outside or any lightening cream that has already been activated to make your whitening face cream. Just note that this base can actually give up to 2 shades lighter. And if you're also looking for a good effective base cream to purchase, you can reach out to me. I'm going to leave my number on the screen, and we have base cream, lightening base cream and whitening base cream available for sale. Okay, and the sizes start from 1000 ml, which is 1 liter. Okay, so just send me a DM and I will, we'll talk from there. And let's just talk about this particular video. So this is one of the serum that I'm going to be using to boost this lotion. So this is Kojic Sun lightening serum or skin lightening serum. This serum, if you watch my previous video where I was promising a whitening body lotion, you will see me using this particular serum. You see this serum is 100% safe for the skin. I have been using this lately, and trust me guys, I love this serum. I really do love it. And for the fact that it's very mild on the skin is another thing that you should look out for. It doesn't bleach the skin, it just gives this beautiful luminous skin tone. And when you use it to promise your lightening cream or your whitening cream, you're gonna see the difference. Okay, this serum is great, it's good, and it's not really that common, but if you can actually lay your hands on this particular one, guys, you would definitely love the outcome of your product. And the ingredients that this serum contains are all written at the back, and also the consistency is top notch. It has this light creamy consistency, so when you use this to promise your face cream or your body lotion, it's not going to be runny, it's not going to change the color. Instead, it will just make the color more beautiful. And this serum helps with hyperpigmentation, dark spot, and it also helps to smoothen out the skin. And then the next serum is Bare Eclat Canico. If you know this serum, guys, you actually know a good serum, because this serum is good, especially when it comes to face cream. Is super great. And guys, don't forget that when you are promising your face cream, you have to use the best, mildest serums, because face kind of is actually the most sensitive part of our body. So when you are promising your face cream, you have to be conscious of the type of serums and tube you add it to it. Don't go and buy 100 tubes or 10 tubes or 10 serum and just be packing it inside, guys. It's face. If you are not conscious about it, you might end up having redness on your skin, or especially those that have sensitive skin, they might not be able to use it. So this, I'm going to be adding in about a teaspoon. So mind you guys, I'm using 7.5 tablespoon to measure this. So I just thought to let you guys know. And the base we have here is 120 ml, so I am making 150 ml. Okay, so please note. So I'm just going to be adding in half of this tablespoon. And guys, look at the consistency of this base cream. And if you want your base cream to be thicker than this, just let me know. If you want it to be lighter than this, just let me know. We got you guys. And then another thing about this serum is when you include this serum in your lotion and your lotion is runny, this serum is going to thicken it up. Yes, it does that. So if your lotion is very runny, just relax your mind. This serum will thicken it up a bit. And then if your base is too thick, this serum, if you include it in your recipe, is going to thicken up your face cream or your lotion. So just keep on watching this video till the end. You will see the outcome of this product. So now I added in 7.5 ml of Kojic Sun serum, and then the next ingredients we are going to be adding in is Make Me White tube. Guys, you see this tube is one of the best whitening tubes that I know. Forget about the likes of, let me not mention names, other tubes, but you see this particular one, this one is good for face cream, it's good for body lotion, it's good for body butter, and it just elevates your cream, your lotion. And this other one, see this patapata, this name alone, I believe many of us know what patapata mean in our language. Patapata, like it finish am. This tube, I remember, you know, if you've been following me, you will remember when I was having issue with my skin. It happened for close to a year when I was not able to use any lotion. I was reacting to something that I just didn't know. But let me not just, you know, deviate. Let's just keep on, you know, talking about what we are talking about. You see this tube can do a lot of things, but one of the things that this tube does not do is whitening. It does not whitening. It can only brighten your skin. Okay, it can only brighten your skin. This tube can be used for as anti-irritant. Let's say, for example, you want to promise a face cream or a body lotion, as I'm doing now, and you don't want your face cream to react to your customer's skin, like allergy or stuff like that. You see this tube will help. There's no way your customer or your client's skin will be sensitive to the point that this tube will not work. And this tube can actually be used directly on the skin, and it will perfectly clear off rashes, blemishes. Like, this tube is so good. You see this other one, this Zapet tube, I spoke about this in my previous video. If you haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch that video. You see this tube is 100% good. Okay, very good. When it comes to lightening, it's good. When it comes to taking care of rashes, it's perfect. When it comes to blemishes, is number one. When it comes to sunburn, guys, it's totally good. And you see, another thing about this tube is it's super affordable. Like, it's super duper affordable. Like, I got the full carton, 12 pieces. I got the carton for 3,000 naira. So you can see how affordable it is. So please don't sleep on this. Watch that video. You see all the details where you can get this tube. It's a new tube, and it's not rampant. Okay, it's not rampant. And when you use this tube in your body lotion and your face cream, guys, you will definitely see the difference. You don't need to buy too much tubes and be putting it in your lotion, or in the name of, I want my lotion to whiten, I want my lotion to lighten, and you're using different type of tubes. When you use 2 tubes, 3 type of tubes is enough. And you see this one can do a job of up to 2 different tubes that you know. It's just no rampant, and it's so good. This tube is good. I don't know I don't know what else to say, guys. If you haven't watched that video, go ahead and check that video out. You know, just get to know more about this tube. Guys, trust me, you will love this. You will definitely love this. And then this is aloe vera gel. Guys, you know, when I'm promising my face cream, I always love to include aloe vera gel, because it's actually a soothing gel. And if you are prone to redness, aloe vera gel helps with that. It helps to calm the face, and it helps to hydrate the face. And guys, when you add this in your lotion, it gives your lotion this beautiful, you know, consistency. The viscosity of your lotion is going to be top notch. So I love adding aloe vera in my face cream or my promising products. But guys, this is optional. If you want to, you can go ahead. If you don't want to, it's totally fine. Okay, but try it and you will love it. And then the next thing I'm adding in is vitamin E capsule. So I'm adding in 5 of this. Guys, when I'm promising, if you guys notice my recent videos, you will notice that I don't really use the raw vitamin E in my promising creams. Why? Because that vitamin E has this stinking smell that I am not okay with. I love to use it, it's good, but when it comes to face cream and body lotion, I just kind of try my best to cut it off. Instead, I go in with this, because of course your base cream or your whitening body lotion is already made and every ingredient are in it. So there's nothing wrong with it if you decide not to add it. Okay, but you know, just try your best to get this particular one for your promising, especially face cream and body lotion, because some people might complain and tell you, oh, I don't like the smell of your product. Next is my Nerolic essential oil. So I'm just adding in a few drops of that, and you can use any essential oil of your choice. Okay, so this is what I decided to use. You can use lavender essential oil, papaya essential oil, bergamot essential oil, any type of essential oil that you want to use, can go ahead and use it. Okay, so I decided to use this one because this is what I want to use. And then the next thing I'm going to be adding into this cream is German Plus preservative. Okay, because of the aloe vera gel that I added in this promising. So I don't want this lotion to spoil, so I decided to add in just a bit of Germa Plus preservative to kind of preserve my products. Okay, so that is very, very important. And guys, please, this is actually a voice over. Okay, you can see this is the Germa Plus and just few drop, guys. I'm not really too good in doing voice note on my videos, but sometimes when I make videos, the noise, the construction, I always keep on talking about that, and it just make me just get tired of making videos like this, because after talking while making the video, after then when it comes to editing, I'll have to silence the original video and start doing voiceover, and you guys know how stressful it can be when it comes to editing because of the noise. I can't even bear the noise, so I don't want you guys to go through those drama, so I just have to silence the original video and do a voiceover, and that's why my talking is so fast, and then the video I don't even understand again. But please, you guys should just pardon me, and I know you guys love me and you guys will always bear with me, and I love you guys too. I always appreciate that, guys. So this is how the viscosity is at this point, but after blending this, you're going to notice how the consistency will look. So at this point, I'm trying to dissolve all the serums that I mean the tubes I added into it, but it wasn't working, so I decided to get my stick blender and stick blend this very well so everything can properly incorporate. So the consistency of this face cream is on another level, and then the effectiveness of this face cream is another thing. You see this face cream, I made this face cream about 2 weeks ago, and please, you are getting it now. I'm sorry, I made this face cream in May, so I haven't really had time to edit it, so that's why you are seeing it right now. This face cream can lighten, so my product is very much affordable. If you want to get any recipe, chat me up. I'll leave my number on the screen. Just give me your budget and everything, and then we'll work on it. So this is the face cream. If you want to buy this face cream, it's very, very much affordable. Don't forget, it's a whitening face cream, and I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.